In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a company wiki in ClickUp. A well-organized company wiki is essential for storing and sharing knowledge across teams. It ensures everyone has access to the right information at the right time in one central location. Whether you're building an employee handbook, keeping track of marketing strategies, or documenting product details, ClickUp is a fantastic tool to help you set up and maintain your company wiki. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step, so you can create a robust and easy-to-use wiki for your organization. Let's get started. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to log in. And if you're new to ClickUp, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Once you're in, head to the left-hand sidebar and click on Spaces. This is where you'll organize all the content for your wiki. Next, select the option to add a new space. Give it a descriptive name like Company Wiki to make it clear what this space is for. This will be the central hub for all your wiki content. Now within your new space, create folders to group knowledge by team or topic. For example, you could create one folder and name it Operations and another one called Marketing. These folders will help you keep everything neatly categorized. Once your folders are set up, it's time to organize content within them. In each folder, create 3 separate lists. Name one Active Pages, another Drafts, and the third Archived. These lists will help you track the current status of your wiki pages, whether they're actively being used, in progress, or stored for reference. Now let's focus on adding tasks, which will represent individual wiki pages. Think about the pages your team will need and create a task for each one. For instance, you might include employee handbook, marketing guidelines, product knowledge base, or customer support FAQs. These task titles will become the names of your wiki pages, so be sure to keep them clear and descriptive. Once you've added your tasks, use the task description field to write the content for each wiki page. This is where all the information will live. Include text, links, and screenshots as needed to make the content detailed and easy to understand. To help your team find pages quickly, make sure all your task titles are consistent and easy to search for. A little clarity here goes a long way. Next, take advantage of custom fields to add important details to each task. For example, you can add a priority field to indicate how urgent the content is, an assignee field to show who's responsible for it, a due date field to schedule reviews, and a status field with options like to do, in progress, and completed. These fields will keep everyone on the same page and ensure smooth collaboration. As you work on your wiki pages, make sure to update the status field regularly. For example, mark tasks as in progress while drafting, and switch to completed once the content is finalized. To monitor your progress, you can use the list view in ClickUp for a clean, spreadsheet-style layout where you can see all your tasks at a glance. Or if you prefer a more visual approach, switch to the board view. This allows you to move tasks across columns as their statuses change, giving you a clear picture of what's happening at each stage. Finally, make it a habit to review and maintain your wiki regularly. Update the content as needed to make sure it stays current and accurate. This way, your wiki will continue to be a reliable resource for your team over time. And that's it. By following these steps, you can create a well-organized and comprehensive company wiki in ClickUp that supports your team's productivity and knowledge sharing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.